wanted to give you guys an update on the Ridgerock. I know I haven't been getting out a lot of videos lately because I've been busy at work, but Redcat has been working and listening. From the pictures we've seen, it looks like they're going to come out with metal gearing, which will open up the possibilities of brushless power. Also, most recently, they leaked a photo of portal boxes. Now, if you look closely, you may see a new wheel tire combination, but there's no announcement yet of pricing or if they're going to come in brass. So we're going to wait and watch, because Redcat's coming out with a lot of new products, hopefully for the holiday season. And I've been working on something myself. I've been working on a set of universals for the Ridgerock. They're not quite done yet. I still have to do a little work, and I'll get that video to you out as soon as possible. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned.